Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the heart of a vast forest, there lived a young girl named Shiza. She was known throughout the village for her kindness and compassion, and her love for all tiny and big creatures. Shiza had a special talent for healing, and she would often wander deep into the forest to collect herbs and plants for her remedies. One day, while on her way back to the village, Shiza stumbled upon a wounded bird lying on the ground. She could see that it had a broken wing and was unable to fly. Without hesitation, Shiza picked up the bird and cradled it in her arms. Over the following days, Shiza tended to the bird's injuries with great care and attention. She fed it, kept it warm and comfortable, and talked to it gently, hoping to ease its pain and help it heal. Despite her best efforts, however, the bird's wing refused to mend, and it seemed that it would never be able to fly again. Shiza refused to give up on the bird, however. She knew how important it was for creatures to be free and to be able to live as they were meant to. After much thought and experimentation, Shiza hit upon an idea. She fashioned a pair of tiny wings out of feathers and attached them to the bird's good wing. Then she gently lifted the bird into the air, holding it up with one hand and letting it flap its wings with the other. Slowly but surely, the bird began to fly once again, soaring through the air with the greatest of ease. After some days, Shiza once again went to forest to get some medicinal plants for another injured bird, but this time she lost in forest. She accidentally entered a mysterious cave where she found a lot of medicinal herbs. She had a mixed feeling of joy and sadness. She did not know how to get out of this place. Suddenly, a tiny little bird, that was cured by her some days ago, appeared and started hovering on her head. She recognized the bird and became very happy. She collected many herbs for all other injured creatures. That bird guided her on the way back to village. Shiza joyfully came back to her home and treated many creatures and gathered many prayers from them. Resultantly, God blessed her with wisdom, prosperity and ease in life. After that, she established a great bond with birds and animals. She understood their injuries and adversities and also cured them as well. Word of Shiza's amazing feat soon spread throughout the village and beyond. People would come to her with their own sick and injured animals, seeking her help and guidance. They marveled at Shiza's ingenuity and her willingness to go to such lengths to help a small creature in need. From that day forward, Shiza became known as the Bird Woman, and her fame spread even further. Shiza always had a remedy, a kind word, and a gentle touch to offer, and she became beloved by all who knew her. And so, Shiza lived out her days in the village, surrounded by the forest creatures she loved and cared for, always ready to lend a helping hand and to spread love and kindness. And the bird with the tiny wings continued to soar through the sky, a symbol of hope and possibility for all who saw it. So, children, in this story we have learnt, do good, have good, and always be kind to other creatures of God. God will vest His blessings upon you and will make your life journey a memorable one.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. Thank you.